Question 31. Which of the following substances could be reduced by hydrogen gas? A. Calcium oxide. B. Silver oxide. C. Magnesium oxide. D. Potassium oxide. The correct answer is B. Silver oxide. Explanation: silver oxide is less reactive and can be reduced by hydrogen, unlike the other more stable oxides. Question 32. What is the oxidizing agent in the reaction 3CuO plus 2NH3 going into 3Cu plus N2 plus 3H2O? A. N2. B. NH3. C. Cu. D. CuO. The correct answer is D. Copper oxide, CuO. Explanation: copper oxide accepts electrons from ammonia, causing ammonia to oxidize. Therefore, copper oxide is the oxidizing agent. Question 33. Which of the following molecules would displace chlorine from an aqueous solution of its salt? A. F2. B. At2. C. I2. D. Br2. The correct answer is A. F2. Explanation: fluorine is more reactive than chlorine and can displace it from its salt solution. The reactivity trend is normally F2 greater than Cl2 greater than Br2 greater than I2. Question 34. Given the electron configurations, X is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, and Y 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. The formula of the compound formed between them is A. XY, B. X3Y, C. XY3, D. XY2. The correct answer is C. XY3. Explanation: X is likely a group 13 element which forms +3 ions, and Y is a group 17 element which forms -1 ion. So 3 atoms of X are needed to balance 1 Y atom to give XY3. Question 35. The IUPAC name of open parenthesis CH3 close parenthesis 3 C CH2 CH3 is A. 1,1,1-trimethylpropane, B. 2,2-dimethylhexane, C. 3,3-dimethylbutane, D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. The correct answer is D. 2,2-dimethylbutane. Explanation:
the parent name is butane because the continuous carbon chain is 4 and there are 2 methyl groups attached to the same carbon at position number 2. Hence the name 2,2-dimethylbutane.
Question 36. Which of the following substances is not an isotope of hydrogen? A. Deuterium. B. Tritium. C. Protium. D. Hydroxonium. The correct answer is D. Hydroxonium. Explanation: hydroxonium ion is an ion, not a form of a hydrogen atom like deuterium, tritium, and protium. All these are isotopes of hydrogen, except hydroxonium ions. Question 37. The use of a slaked lime to adjust soil acidity is based on A. Decomposition. B. Neutralization. C. Nitrification. D. Precipitation. The correct answer is B. Neutralization. Explanation: slaked lime, aka calcium hydroxide, neutralizes excess acids in the soil, raising the pH and reducing acidity. Question 38. Which statement about a chemical change is correct? A. It can be reversed by a physical means. B. It is not accompanied by heat change. C. It results in the formation of new elements. D. It occurs only when substances react. The correct answer is C. It results in the formation of new elements. Explanation: a chemical change involves the transformation of substances into new products through reactions, and it generally cannot be reversed physically. Question 39. The number of peaks in a Mark spectrum represents the number of A. Atoms. B. Allotropes. C. Isotopes. D. Ions. The correct answer is C. Isotopes. In a mass spectrum, the number of peaks shows how many isotopes are present. Question 40. Which of the following atoms numbered 1 to 4 is a secondary carbon atom? A. 4. B. 1. C. 2. D. 3. The correct answer is C. Carbon number 2. Explanation: a secondary carbon is bonded to 2 other carbon atoms.